Introducing the ARC 3 Tiers Cupcake Carrier, the perfect solution for all your cupcake and cake transportation needs. Made of safe and durable plastic that is BPA-free, this cupcake holder is not only safe for freezer storage but also resists odors in the refrigerator, ensuring your baked goods stay fresh and delicious. One of the standout features of this cake transport container is its flexible design. You can easily customize the number of layers to accommodate your cupcakes and baked goodies. With the ability to be separated into 3 storage boxes, this carrier offers convenience and versatility, making it perfect for storage. The ARC Cupcake Carrier is generously sized and has a large capacity. It can hold up to 36 cupcakes, 3 large cakes, or a large number of cookies and donuts. The front side of the carrier is specifically designed to hold cupcakes, while the back side can accommodate other bakery foods, giving you plenty of options for your sweet treats. Transporting your cupcakes and cakes has never been easier. The ARC Cupcake container features a sturdy structure with a strong handle and a secure locking system. Its ergonomic design ensures easy and comfortable transportation, so you can confidently bring your baked goods to parties, picnics, or any special occasion. To make any occasion even more special, the ARC Cupcake holder comes with 2 boxes of 100 paper cups, decoration tools, and a cake cutter. This comprehensive package is perfect for birthdays, weddings, baby showers, or any celebration where delicious cupcakes and cakes are a must-have. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US, and compatibility with international outlets and voltage may require an adapter or converter. Before purchasing, please check compatibility to ensure seamless usage in your destination. Get your ARC 3 Tiers Cupcake Carrier today and elevate your baking and transportation experience. With its high-quality construction, generous capacity, and additional accessories, this cupcake holder is the ultimate solution for parties, gatherings, and thoughtful gifts. Don't miss out on this versatile and convenient product. ASIN B0C1YC8L5B